Today is March 25th, 2022, and I want to do a video unboxing the Continental Kit that I got for the 60 convertible. I ordered it back in, I want to say October of 2021, and it took about 2 months to make and about a week to ship. And I got it from Continental Enterprises. They're based out of Canada. A guy named Sam owns the company, and they make Continental kits for all kinds of cars. I think they offer like 150 different Continental kits. So with Continental Enterprise, to my knowledge, they're the only people that make the Continental kits, unless you want to find a new old stock one. So there's two options on the 60. You can go with the 60 with the 1960 Continental kit, or you can go with the 1959. And I went with the 59. I believe the part number is USGM 1959, or no, USGM 1960. And it's basically a 59 kit. The difference is, and we can maybe attach some pictures in the video, is on the 60 kit, it basically hangs off the bumper. And a 59 kit, it has some wraparounds that kind of mold the Continental kit into the bumper, which in my opinion look a lot better. It's $500 more for the 59 kit. So overall, shipping included, this kit was like, come with instructions. So I just want to do an unboxing, show what comes with it, show the quality of it. Now I did cheat because I did open up this stuff when I got it to get whatever was bare metal in epoxy, so it doesn't rust sitting in the shop here. So I did cheat a little bit, but I didn't do a video, so we're gonna do a video right now. So let's get to it. All right, I don't know if you want to bring the camera over here, but so this is all the bracket stuff that, like I say, I put in epoxy when I first got the kit, just to protect it from surface rusting. I mean, you can get this stuff powder coated if you want, but epoxy does the job. Looks like there's some sort of bumper brackets. Some sort of edge molding. I assume this is for gas tank filler. I believe this is license plate holder. Part of the latch assembly. Like I said, I sprayed this stuff in the SPI epoxy, so it's well protected. And here's the latch itself. You got a whole bag of hardware. Looks like these might fit the contour of the bumper. So I haven't even looked at the instructions. I mean, I'm just assuming here. But bag of hardware. So far so good. Stuff is constructed pretty well. Looks like it's about 1/8 inch thick. This looks like about 3/16. So pretty good stuff. So we're gonna move over here to the corner. All right, that's the first box. So this is obviously the back end of it. Like I say, I got this stuff in epoxy, so prevent it from rusting. This is the top of the back side. And I think this is the chrome stuff. I hadn't actually unwrapped this, so we're going to get a first-hand look on the quality of the chrome. Do a good job packing for sure. Like I say, it took them about 2 months to make this. They make them to order. They don't have, I mean, they make them, you know, custom made to order. So, had to wait a little bit. I believe you pay half up front and half when it's due or something like that, if I remember right. Chrome looks great. What do you think, lady?
Looks good.
Shiny. So I do know from what I've been reading is you have to cut the 60 bumper to fit this kit, which we plan on doing. You have to cut it, and I believe you have to cut the valances. This thing is pretty awkward. So you can, some people paint these or leave them chrome. I mean, since it's chrome, I'm probably gonna leave it chrome. But it's the wraparound, so it goes over the tire. So this thing is made to actually hold a spare tire. And I think that's it. That's not a whole lot of stuff for $3 grand, but so you still have to have you have to buy the wheel, a factory or a stock 14x5 wheel, and a tire, I believe 760x14 or something like that for the correct fitment. So you gotta have a wheel and tire for it. You have to cut the valances, you have to cut the bumper, and then it came with everything according to what's in the box, minus the emblems that you would put on the back end. So we can attach some pictures to show what I'm talking about. But people usually put Chevrolet script right here or something, or cross flags, or I mean, you put anything you want. I plan to put Chevrolet and some 348 cross flags, maybe gold, and then of course this will be painted to match the car. So this will be part one of the Continental Kit. But you know what? I didn't get the wraparounds. Yeah. It's crazy. The most important part I almost forgot. So these are the 59 wraparound, you can call it, or 90 degree if you want to call it that. So this is what separates the 60 kit from the 59 kit, is these. So this gives the molded look, and like I said, we can attach some pictures to show what we're talking about. But here's a good example right here in the picture. It molds in with the bumper, comes around the back end. Whereas the 60 model, it just bolts to the bumper and it kind of looks like it's hanging off the bumper. So in my opinion, the 59 kit looks better. It's a GM, US GM 1960. And because of these pieces right here. Looks like these pieces were in that bag. So, man, the chrome is great. You can see the hammer marks from the back. So I assume they manufacture this stuff. This is all made. in Canada. So pretty good, pretty good. We're quite a ways away from that. What I plan to do is we're going to finish up the frame. I give it till the end of May, and then in about 2 weeks I plan to mock the back bumper up to the frame, make sure that still fits, and then maybe mess with the Continental Kit a little bit and see what we need to do. But it's quite a ways away. I just want to do a little introduction, unboxing for the Continental Kit, bumper kit, spare tire carrier, whatever you want to call it. It did come with, like I say, some instructions I haven't read. But that's a wrap. So I'll bring you guys back once we get started on this thing.